it's Awesome Tiger and I'm back. I know it's been a long time since I've made a video, so I thought maybe you would be interested in a cheese paratha. Actually, in anything paratha, whatever you choose. So I chose cheese and cilantro. You can choose anything though. Don't forget that. So let's get started on the dough. You need to have dough to put the cheese inside, right? Who doesn't need dough? So first you need some flour. Any type of flour works, and I'm using whole wheat multigrain flour, which is great. So then I'll just get a spoon quickly, and then put some flour in there, as much as you want. How much dough you're going to make. And I think that's good for me. Now, then you need some water, but add it slowly. And if you're asking, hey, what am I going to mix it with? Using your hand is perfectly fine. And here's a tip. Don't put all the water at once. Put a little at a time, not too much. Just mix it with your hand. You'll be fine. You'll just wash your hands again. Okay, not enough. Oopsies. Cooking can get messy sometimes. And mix it thoroughly before you add more water. Okay, some more. Meanwhile, I have a joke for you. What starts with a P and ends with an N and has a bajillion letters in it? A postman. Since it adds so much letters to send, it's coming in every second. Ooh, I need some more water. Here. More. I think this is good. I'll just get the rest of it into one clump. And if you think, the dough's sticking to my hands, then don't worry. Just get some oil and pour it in. Then it'll be better. And if you add too much water, don't worry. You just put some more flour. Then you'll be perfect. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna add some oil. And don't add too much oil. That isn't the main ingredient. It's just one of the ingredients, and it's optional. Yeah, I think that's enough oil. Now, I'll just get this stuff off my hands and then wash my hands. Because you don't want you don't want that sticky thing getting all over your house, right? Or if you're even in your house. You might just be in a hotel relaxing. So, I'll just wash my hands quickly. Okay, I'm done with washing my hands. Look at this, they're clean. So now you get to finally make your paratha. First, you need your dough that you made. And then you need some extra flour. And then some cheese, and if you want, cilantro. And oh right, I forgot, you need to heat the pan. You need to cook it. So, heat it to a medium heat. But then if it takes you a while, then put it in between low and medium. And then start heating up a little more after you're done with this. Then it'll heat slowly, and then you have a lot more time. So then you get some dough. Get like not too much, but still a big amount, decent amount. So maybe I think this should be good. No, I'm getting a little more because you're going to have to put the cheese in cilantro if you want cilantro, or if you don't want cheese, put anything, whatever you want. So then you use some extra flour and then put it on here, spread it out, and then roll it up in the floor. Then it'll get easier and less sticky. So you'll have to clean less. Smart. A little more. And if you see that it's still pretty brown, then put some more flour. There's no harm in it. Oop. Okay, I think that's good for now. Then get your rolling pin and roll. But don't roll it too thin because you're going to have to put the cheese and then roll it more. So roll it so it has a little thickness. I'll just need that. And if you notice that it's starting to stick, put more flour on it. Spread it on. Then take this, flip it. Oh, it's sticking. I need to put some flour on it. Oh, it broke. And don't worry if it breaks. You can just attach it. Just put your fingers over it. See? New. No, it's new. Again. Now put some more on the side. Then roll. Yeah, I think that's good. It's got still some thickness in it. Now put in whatever you want in it. I'm putting cheese. And also, don't surround it fully. Keep some space outside. So then you can, well, you'll figure out soon what I'm going to do. Take some of it. A lot of it, actually. I love cheese. I'm a cheese lover. And also, if you want, post in the comments. Do you like cheese? Do you hate cheese? Are you fine with cheese? Put it in the comments. I want to see what you like. Oh, right, and the cilantro. You can put it too. Right here. And if you have some extra cilantro, don't worry, just eat it plain. Or put it in some sandwiches or something. It'll be fine. Then try to put it together like this. Make it so you can't see too much cheese or cilantro. Like this. And that seems about good. Then add a lot more flour. Gonna need it. And then put it on both sides. Don't forget. And now roll it up. But remember, don't do it too hard, or else then it'll pop. So just do it very gently. See? It's going perfectly fine. And I'm doing it very gently. And if there are a few holes, don't worry. It's going to cook and then come all together. Especially if you're using cheese. the cheese is going to make a little layer that'll cover it. And then I'm going to go way lighter. I think I'm destroying this thing. Okay, I think that's good. My pan should be heated. Now put it on medium heat. If you put it on in the middle of medium and low, get it? Okay, and then also if you want to use ghee, you can. And then remember, if you have hard ghee that isn't like melted, then that's fine. Just do it on a side that has already been heated up, like this one. I'll put it like this much. And then it's going to melt. It's already heated up. Spread it around. Then I'm going to flip it again. I'm going to put it on both sides. Get some more of that ghee. Just a little more. Oops. And that's good. Look at this. If you think it's so good, then paste it. Then put some pictures and in the comments or post. Are you a cheese lover? Do you like cheese? Are you fine with cheese? Share in the comments whatever you want. And if you didn't like this video, point out what you didn't like. I'll definitely improve it. And also, give me some likes too. And also subscribe to my channel if you like it so much. Now if you want to eat it some way, just eat it with your hands. There's absolutely no problem with that. So good. I'm a complete cheese lover. It'll definitely fill you to your fullest stomach. Okay, now bye.